Poor guy outdoor cooking. Hey, how are you? Look what we got. Weber Smokey Joe. This little guy. 14-inch Weber Smokey Joe. Hey, I bought this at Walmart. It was less than half price. It was $22. So I had to buy it. It's a little guy. Let's take this apart and see what it's all about. Here's some little legs. Yeah, this is an unboxing video. That's the little ashtray, the handle, bunch of directions, some nuts. Yeah, I'll put the directions right here. Hopefully you can see this. Okay, there's our little 14-inch-ish cooking grate. And that's the bottom grate to catch hold the charcoal. And the body itself. Yeah, yeah. Anything else in there? No. Directions. We'll set that aside for now. Let's try to get this open here. Okay, there's the top. A little vent. And no, that's the bottom. This is the top right here. There we go. I don't think this is going to be too difficult to assemble, but I am going to refer to the directions just in case. All right, look at this little guy. I don't think it's too complicated. All right, so there's the bottom, there's the legs. I'm guessing we're going something like, I don't know. Something like, okay. I'm gonna refer I'm gonna refer to the directions for 1 minute. Be right back. I built it. I built it myself. It literally took 5 minutes. Weber Smokey Joe. There's the top. Cooking grate. The grate to hold the charcoal. And the body. Really the most difficult thing was getting these legs to line up and get that little ashtray in there. Once we did that, we just had to put the plastic handle on the top, and that was it. 5 minutes. I was going to do an assembly video, but they're kind of boring, and this one is definitely not too complicated to do. Yeah, like I said, $22 at Walmart. I think they're regularly right around 50 bucks. So yeah, it's a little guy. You can take this sucker anywhere you want. Or you can just set it up in the backyard, cook some some burgers, and let's get adventurous with this. $22. I couldn't pass it up. Right on. Weber Smokey Joe, the little guy, the 14-incher. Stay tuned to Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking, and we'll be doing some cooks on this here down the road. And if you want to see another great video, another great channel about a Weber unboxing and assembly, check out my buddy Ron over at Four Seasons Barbecue. He just put up a video today. He got himself a brand new Weber 22-inch copper baby. He got that on sale too. So go over and see my buddy Ron over at Four Seasons Barbecue and check out his unboxing and assembly video on his new Weber that he bought. Got a discount on that too. So poor guy out there cooking. Just want to show off this little guy, and stay tuned for some cooks on this. Peace.